Todd Brandon.
And I'm Damion Ramsay, and welcome to 88 Bunya Road.
This brick home on acreage in Rockyview has got heaps to offer. Let's take a quick tour. Undoubtedly, the peace and quiet on offer here is spectacular, but this full-length veranda overlooking this amazing in-ground swimming pool is absolutely my favourite feature of this home.
Well, this has got to be my favourite part of the house. Check out this built-in barbecue and the wood-fired pizza oven. And if we can help you own this home, please give myself or Todd a call here at McGrath Estate Agents.